Hey guys, today I'm going to go over some bundles I've been selling on Facebook Marketplace and Let Go. I want to give you a few tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So normally on bundles I like to keep the scents together, all Moonlight Breeze, but on this particular one I was running out of scents, so I had to mix it up a little bit. But this one sold successfully for $20. Here is another one that sold for $20. All the scents are Blissful Breeze and Honeyberry Hulu. My second tip would be to have all the ounces of the items visible and to list them in your description when you're selling the bundle so there's no discrepancy when someone says, hey, I thought it was this size, and you can just reference back to that. My third tip would be always meet in a public place in daylight. And I always like to try and keep my pictures really crisp and clean. Nothing in the background, no clutter, nothing in the frame that's not for sale. Also, I like to sell a variety of items like the dish soap, the air spray, because when I accumulate abundance of those things, I don't want to just sell all laundry soap because I'm trying to get rid of my 20 Febrezes that I have, stuff like that. So I always try to do a variety of things. Now there are times where I will sell bundles that are just full of laundry detergent, but usually I like to, mix it up a little bit. And sometimes you may have like $8 worth of gain, but you need another $2. So that's when a dish soap and a Febreze comes in handy. Here is a personal care bundle. These don't do that well in my area. I had this one up for sale for about 2 weeks and I really only got like a few hits on it. It never did sell. That's just one thing people aren't interested in. Now if I put up a whole bunch of toothpaste or razors, and can you believe it guys? I had like 21 Always Discreet pads and those sold, all of them. I was very surprised. I left it up for a few weeks and I just let it go. And it's every single one of them sold. I sold them in packs of 5 and 10. And I sold the Always Discreet for $1 per pack. On the flings, the 26 count, I like to charge $5. On the fireworks, $3. The smaller bottles of Gain, $3, as well as the Gain detergent, $3. The toilet paper I always do for about $4 to $5, depending on how much it costs. The Sparkle, $4. The Snuggle dryer sheets, $2. But if it's an 80 count dryer sheet, usually about $3. My general rule is to write down retail price of everything or calculate it in my head and do about 40 to 35% off of that. We're out here to make a profit if you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, but I try not to overcharge because after all, we are helping out our community. So the money that I get from selling these, I just put back in to do more couponing because it's something I really enjoy and I can make some extra money from it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Saturday.